Today we're going to disassemble the screen from the top of the Audi A3 8V dashboard. Want to learn? Stay here, but I'll tell you in advance, if you don't like it, I won't disassemble this screen for you. I won't teach you and I won't even show you the brand of the original screen, okay? And one of the problems that I managed to solve by disassembling my car myself, even test it on your car, tap this cover here, because it comes with a glue on it from the factory, and this glue, over time, with the heat, comes loose and then this cover here starts to make noise. So, what I did the other day, I disassembled it, put a double-sided tape on the top of it on the inside and glued it and it stopped making noise, okay? It was one of the noises I heard in my car. So, come on, leave your like, guys, leave your like, otherwise I won't disassemble it, and, of course, also subscribe to the channel. Well, in order to remove the air vents, okay? In order to remove the screen, we need to remove the air vents, okay, guys? So, what are we going to do? Let's get that plastic wrench, which is what helps, that everyone should have at home to be able to disassemble the finish, so as not to damage the finish and not leave marks. So, we're going to put it here from behind and we're going to push the air vent so we can remove the two air vents, okay, guys? Removed it, pulled it a little bit forward, just pull it. Air vent, it comes out completely here for you, okay? So you can see how the mechanism works, look. It closes the air vent and opens the air vent, okay? And how do the fins work? On the inside, look, for those who were curious, look, it closes and opens to direct the air, look. Look how cool, a lot of people didn't even know that, right, guys? So, this is how the Audi system that I'm showing you works, where you push forward and pull back. How does it work? This is how it works. A lot of people were curious, okay? You removed one air vent, grab the other one, pull it. We've already removed the second air vent. Great. Now, Nobre, where are the screws? Well, I'm going to show you here, up close, where the screws come from. Inside here, you'll see that there's a screw here and a screw there, look. Okay, one screw on each side. So, we're going to remove these screws so we can take the screen out. So, it's going to take a little while. I'm going to cut the video and I'm going to show you after I remove these screws, because they're a little bit of work. Okay, guys? So, let's go ahead and remove the screws and then I'll continue for you. Well, guys, this is the screw that was removed. It's an alien screw, okay? For those who want to know, it's this one. There are two alien screws for you to remove. I used this little wrench that comes in my toolkit. It's A27, okay? So this one here, look, it's a T27 that we're going to use for this little screw here. Okay? Removed from the inside, as I showed you, the screws located here on the inside. Down here we have two clips that are here on the inside, okay? That we have access to from the inside so that you understand how it works. This top cover comes off, okay? As I told you, this top cover comes off. Let me even increase the lighting here for you, look. And you just lift it up. The screen is here inside, look, the screen is here inside, okay? For those who have never seen how to disassemble it, this is what the disassembled screen looks like. This big hole in the panel that we can see here and the screen there folded to the inside, it looks like this, okay? Here below are the screen connectors, okay? The connection cables that connect directly there, right, to the sound system inside the glove compartment. Well, for those who are curious about how the screen works, okay. I'm going to show you something exclusive here that no one has ever shown. So, look, this is how it works. Leave the screen here on the outside, it's supported here to show you. Look, when you turn on the panel, it lifts up, right? This is how it works, look. So, the screen lifts up, it comes out of here from the inside area. When you press it again, it goes back inside the panel, see? So, this is how it works. It clicks, it jumps out of the panel, it clicks again, it goes inside the panel. And another thing that is also interesting, that many people don't know, that I'm going to show you here. In this case, it's also something exclusive to the Nobre Motorsport channel. For those who have never seen it or don't know, I'd like to know the quality of the car's original screen, right? The official brand of the screen is this one, look. So, this is a genuine Audi screen from the Alpine brand. Look there, look. It's from the Alpine brand. See, guys, the original and official brand that comes with the Audi A3 8V. Did you guys like this content? You know, subscribe, leave your like because otherwise there won't be any more content, okay? Just so you know, look, I've already dismantled this bar here in other videos. I've already shown how to change the analog air conditioning for the digital one. Everything step by step. I've already shown how to change this little cover. From the gear shift here, when it's all worn out like mine. How to disassemble, how to change the entire gear shift knob. I've already made another video. How to disassemble the entire center console of the car as well. How to remove the air conditioning vents. I've already made a video installing the cell phone holder. How to disassemble the sound system inside the glove compartment. I've also taught you, I'll have a video showing how to disassemble the dashboard and how to disassemble the steering wheel of the car as well. Exclusive content, Noble coding, okay? We teach about coding, we have a course on the best in Brazil. And here we are teaching and showing how to disassemble some parts of the Audi A3. Cool? Exclusive content. Did you like it? Really like this video, share it, otherwise there won't be any more. And, of course, subscribe to the channel. And now I'm going to redo the assembly and I'm going to show you here how. Well, for us to be able to reassemble the screen is very simple. You fitted the screen here, right? In the hole. What do we do? Push it down. It will fit inside the dashboard. I'm even going to start the car here, because otherwise I'll die of heat in here. I'm going to leave the screen here outside. Screen working, all the controls working normally, okay? You'll see that I know how to disassemble and without reassembling, without causing any problems either. All set, screw on one side. Put the screw on the other side and then I'll show you how to put the air vents back in place. Alright, the two screws are back in place, as I said, the internal screws on the top. Now we just need to put the air conditioning vents back in place. I'm going to take advantage of this and put my cell phone holder here. Air vent in hand, both of them here, right? They have a guide pin here on the side, okay? These guide pins here, they have to fit into these milling cutters here in the corner of the panel. So, let's fit them back in, just get it right. One side, okay? The other side too, all right. And now just push them into the panel. Air vents connected, screen working completely original and exclusive video. Another exclusive video from Noble Motorsport.